Okay, guys. So you already created the space. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna continue. We're gonna put sales right here because we named it sales. You can name it whatever you want, but you got to put the same thing right here. Space UID. Copy this exactly. Okay. Now this is the specifications list. I'm using Python 3.8. At the beginning I used 3.7 and I redid it because before you could use Python 3.7. So anyways, here's default 38. If you're using this or a 3.9, put it in right here. Okay, the train's shape. And remember, the space is called, the model I'm calling it is sales, same thing. And then here's the actual model from up there. Remember Riker? Scikit-learn version 0.23? There we go. And copy this right here and then model details. Here we go. Okay. Now we're going to move on to the next one. Deployment.